This is one of our wood-framed quick change slide-in frames. It has a removable frame rail to load your poster or sign and quickly change and update it easily without taking the frame off the wall. When you receive the wood slide-in frame, the frame comes fully assembled. A hanging hardware packet is enclosed. It contains wall anchors and screws. You'll need a drill, 3/16 drill bit, pencil, screwdriver, level, and hammer to properly mount the frame onto the wall. Take off the top rail. It slides right off. Remove the backing board and acrylic window and place all 3 frame parts carefully to the side. Notice the frame has holes in the backing board panel. Use these backing board holes to position the frame on a wall. Use a pencil through the holes to mark the location of where you will drill. To straighten the frame on the wall, use a level. Once the holes are drilled, insert the wall anchor. Use a hammer if needed. Lightly tap without damaging the wall. Place the frame backing board holes over wall anchors and insert the screws and tighten to secure to the wall. Replace the top rail to make sure it fits into place. Now you are ready to insert your poster or sign. Lift and slide the top frame rail off. Take your printed poster and place it between the backing board and protective window lens. This keeps the insert flat and eliminates waving. Now take the combined parts and carefully slide it into the frame. Now replace the top frame rail by sliding it into the back channel routed into the frame. Your slide-in frame is now ready to be seen. You'll find our wood slide-in frames at displaysforsale.com.